Hi, my name is Ben Barry. I am with Saving Face. We are protecting your meetings one interruption at a time. Basically, in this new environment that we're living in and working from home in, we're constantly being interrupted by all those around us, our kids, our wife, our spouse, whoever it might be. And we're no longer in a professional environment, and we're trying to maintain that same acumen that you usually hold in the day-to-day business environment. This is a challenge. This is a challenge for everyone. Teachers, newscasters, as you can see in this video, of just the day-to-day life, working from home life in this current environment. And we don't know how long this environment will be around. We can see this into the foreseeable future for the current situation. So our company has developed a product that alleviates this issue. We have asked customers, we've interfaced with them, such as Vinny. Vinny is a sales manager. He's in charge of many sales operations members, and basically they interface with all sorts of customers, mainly high-level companies, high-end, high-level executives, and they need a professional environment to be conveying their messages. From business to business, they need a professional acumen no matter what, and you need a safe environment to do so. So we've implemented a product. This product is quite simple. It's for children to focus on, the simple method of a stoplight. Red means stop, yellow means proceed with caution, green means go. And this is innate to almost every individual, kids to adults, these three lights, because we see it in our day-to-day life. This is a notification system that notifies the people before they enter a door that, hey, they're going into a meeting. There might be a video going on, or the microphone might be on, when you might need to be quiet. Or somebody's inviting me in. Dad wants me to, have some interaction with them. He wants a break from his day-to-day work life. So here's our model. It's a hanging door model. There are others being developed right now to be on the desk or in the kitchen for the kids to be notified. But basically, you hang it on the door, and you can control this wirelessly from the Zoom session or your desktop or mobile. You can set yourself in a meeting, and this is basically saying that I have a video going on, audio going on, and I cannot be interrupted. If you can be quiet, I would very appreciate it. And then you can have the cautionary. You have, hey, my microphone's on. Can you be quiet? You can come in, you can pass through, but we need to be cautious. And then green is come on in. Hey, I need some visitors. I need time with you. I want to break up my day to day. I want to involve you. Maybe I'm having a Zoom conference where they invite the kids. That's a common thing nowadays. So what's the market like? This is a new industry. We're in a new market. It's a fact of the matter. It's COVID-19. We don't know where we're at and where we're going, but we know where we're at today. It's an environment of everyone working from home. Teachers, business executives, most any job can be working from home nowadays. And the fact of the matter is we need a safe environment. And that's what we can provide with this product. We do run into some issues. This is a new environment where new businesses crop up day to day. This is what our company is implementing, and others could do it also. And also, there is a lot of alternatives. You could use smart media and these smart devices to basically notify those around you, but it doesn't provide that active feedback before you enter into a room, which consistently happens. Accidental interruptions. Once you pass through a door, you forget what you're doing. How this is marketed is basically to large employers that want to make sure that all their employees underneath them are maintaining the professional acumen that they're looking for. Or it could be sold to direct users. Maybe it's students, teachers, individual companies that have few operators, and they just want that same satisfaction that we can have in a safe environment. I'm Ben Barry. I've worked in the industry for about 7 years. I've gone back to school for electrical engineering, and I'm in my senior year. And I've helped develop several products in different startups, and this is my current startup. And I hope to implement this and grow this in the future, and I hope you are a part of it with me. Thank you very much for your time, and have a great rest of your day.